Naka, Your Excellency, representing from the Government of Japan, Nuchusana Wanua, ladies and gentlemen. First, I would like to thank the Government of Japan for its assistance to the Ministry of Fisheries. Fiji's fisheries continues to grow through the technical financial support rendered in the past years through JICA, OFCF, and its sister program, the Grant Assistance for Grassroots, or GGP. The Japanese government since the early 1980s has supported Fiji fisheries in areas of coastal development, extension services, technical support, research and development of aquaculture. In fact, we are back here in Naduruloulou, which is a facility that was funded by JICA. The provision of infrastructure, wet and dry lab facilities, equipment and other technical advice have allowed us to operate the facility to date. Moreover, the deployment of JICA aquaculture experts on 2 years engagement have assisted our local staff in prawn, tilapia and carp breeding and stocking. Also, there have been work conducted in feed formulation. Most of the breeding methods practiced then are still being used today, with the insertion of new methods that are being practiced globally. While most of the assistance provided back then still exists in Naduruloulou, the facilities are old and needed upgrading. Your Excellencies, we are fortunate that after our initial discussion in 2018, you helped us to realize our needs. The arrival of the new specialized equipment funded under the GGP program being a sigh of relief in addressing food security with pandemic impact of COVID-19. The Ministry of Fisheries, through its food security program, received a budget of $500,000 this year to assist subsistence farmers in rural and peri-urban areas. The arrival of this new tilapia hatchery equipment will boost tilapia fry production in parallel to the high demand to stock ponds around Fiji. This new equipment will boost tilapia production from 1.2 to 2.2 million and maximum direct assistance to the ordinary freshwater aquaculture farmers in Fiji. The Ministry of Fisheries is privileged to be part of Japan's aquaculture development initiatives, and we hope to continue to build on this. Your Excellency, the aquaculture development in Fiji is still at an infant stage, but with all its available resources, we want to improve and to be the best in the region. To grow aquaculture rapidly, we are determined to use new innovative technologies that are being developed globally. Fiji is determined to push ourselves to the limit to be aligned to the Sustainable Development Goals priorities and its aspirations, which is also spearheaded by your development agency, JICA. In receiving this timely assistance, we are determined to change the face of Naduruloulou Station. The ultimate goal is to achieve a state-of-the-art modern freshwater aquaculture facility by building its current capacity to be aligned to the global aquaculture development. This can only be possible through the strong and solid relationship we have established since 1980s. With those few words, Excellency, I am privileged to receive this aquaculture assistance from the Government of Japan. Excellency, just before I end, the gentleman that had received the ceremonial presentation of the waka today has actually stated on your behalf that Fiji should expect every assistance from the government through your High Commission in Suva, and he has even promised that we can empty all your office for us to be provided with the assistance. With those few words, Excellency, thank you very much for honoring you with your presence today. Naka.
Hey man, tractor.
Wait.